Hello everyone, today I want to show you folding pocket knife. Let's open. It's come with this packet and it's the clay symbol. They sent that cleaning cloth. You can clean your knife. This is a knife. Look at. They have another color too. You can choose which color you want. I have been carrying this knife few days. It's not so heavy. I can carry all day without any problem. Look. You can put here, close it. Look, this is not so heavy. And it's also a little bit invisible. Or you can carry in your pocket like that. The handle is so comfortable. I have a good control. It doesn't feel slippery when I'm using. And you can open with two hands like that. And if you want to close, click here and close it. Also, you can open with one hand like that and close like that. It's really useful when you are holding something with other hand. Look, you can open just one hand. The blade is nice and wide. It makes cut rope, opening box, or preparing camping gear easily. Look, can you see? I can show you one. Look, the blade is so sharp. And please be careful. That bucket clip you can carry in your car easily. And it's not taking too much space. Overall, that knife feels solid, well made, easy to carry. If you enjoy hiking, camping, fishing, and want to carry everyday knife, I think this is a great option. Thank you for watching.